It's my doorstop. Pulled this out of an old aircraft factory in Burbank years ago. Ray gun. Let's get back to this. This is a Worksman. You've seen it before. Here it is again. I just put these aluminum Worksman hoops on it. It's front drum brake, which I'm still figuring out. This is my first rodeo. I've never played with one of these. I'm using all the wrong hardware. If you just saw the last video, I'm using a bolt here from a Schwinn derailleur. You know, if I adjust that to where the brake stops well, it drags too much. So I have to figure that out. And this is just wedged in there and it's not right, but I'll fix all that. I think I just adjusted the bottom bracket too tight. Freeballed the rear coaster brake. That's running good. I'm really looking forward to getting this thing dialed in correct, and I think these wheels will live on it once I figure it all out. The stem kind of goes well with those wheels, you know. It's tough. Tough. If I'm going to ride a bike, it's going to be tough. Wild thing. This is apropos for this bike, you know. .4 tire. Fat spokes. And again, these are aluminum wheels. I packed the crap out of this with Lucas Red and Tacky, so it'll be creeping out of there for a while. CBE 110, Shimano. If you got any parts for this thing, particularly this bolt here, hey man, send it along. And any tips on this brake, you know, chime in, man. I don't know everything.